Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is MUHARNITA and you can call me Rima. In this video, I want to tell you about loincloth and loinskirt. The most basic garment of clothing for Egyptian working men was the loincloth and loinskirt. The first, loincloth. Loincloth was a very simple garment and is seen beginning in the Old Kingdom period. Loincloth made of single-piece leather, shaped like triangle with the heartstring. A piece was tied around the waist, and the point of triangle was pulled up between the legs. Next, loinskirt. In the Middle Kingdom period of Egyptian history, loinskirt woven from grass or straw, and male worker wearing a short skirt tied around the waist with a belt. Okay, that's all about loincloth and loinskirt. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry even I make a mistake, and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.